Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, anyone listening to me right now, I want you to understand something powerful. Your emotions are not your enemy. Your emotions are indicators, but if you don't control them, they will control you. Today, I'm not here to give you cliches. I'm not here to give you soft motivation. I'm here to tell you the truth, a truth that can change your life. You can't control life. You can't control people. You can't control what happens to you. But you can always control how you respond. And that is where your power begins. Part 1. Slow Motivational. Your mind is a battlefield. Let me tell you a secret. You are fighting a battle every day. Not against the world, not against people, but against your own reactions. Every time you get angry, every time you panic, every time you overthink, every time you explode emotionally, you lose a bit of your power. And life respects one thing: self-control. Because self-control is the root of discipline. Discipline is the root of success. And success is the root of a powerful life. You don't need a perfect life. You need a disciplined mind. Part 2. Strong tone. Emotions are real, but not always right. Listen carefully. Just because you feel something does not mean it's true. You may feel rejected. You may feel alone. You may feel like you're not enough. You may feel like everything is falling apart. But feelings are not facts. Feelings are temporary. Feelings are loud, but they are not logical. If you make permanent decisions based on temporary emotions, you will destroy your own life. So what do? We master the gap. We master the pause. We master the moment between the stimulus and the reaction. That moment is your power. Section 3. Practical teaching tone. The 5-second emotional rule. Whenever your emotions rise, anger, fear, frustration, stress, anxiety, your brain shuts down logic. So you do one thing: you pause. 5 seconds. Breathe in deeply. Do not speak. Do not move. Do not react. After those 5 seconds, your emotional brain settles and your logical brain wakes up. Suddenly, the thing you wanted to yell, you don't want to yell anymore. The argument you were ready to start, you don't want to start anymore. The decision you were about to regret, you don't want to make anymore. 5 seconds of control can save you from 5 years of regret. Part 4. Emotional. You are not weak. You are training. I know some of you listening think, but I get angry too fast. But I get emotional too easily. But I can't control myself. Let me tell you something. You're not weak. You're untrained. You wouldn't call someone weak for not knowing how to play the piano, right? They're not weak, they're untrained. Controlling your emotions is a skill, a muscle, a practice. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Part 2. Story. The storm and the tree. Imagine a storm, powerful winds, thunder, chaos. Now imagine 2 trees. One is weak, shallow roots. When the storm hits, it falls instantly. The other tree, deep roots, strong foundation. It bends, but doesn't break. Your emotions are the storm. Your discipline is the roots. You can't stop the storm, but you can strengthen your roots. Part 6. Practical training tone. The emotional control blueprint. Here are the 4 pillars that every strong mind is built on. 1. Awareness. Name the emotion. You cannot control what you cannot identify. Next time you're angry, say to yourself, I am feeling anger. I am feeling stress. I am feeling fear. When you name it, you separate yourself from it, because you are not your emotions. You are the one experiencing them. 2. Pause. Don't react instantly. Instant reactions destroy relationships. Instant reactions ruin careers. Instant reactions damage your self-respect. Pause. Breathe. Let the emotion pass through you so it doesn't control you. 3. Replace. Choose a better response. Instead of anger, choose silence. Instead of fear, choose courage. Instead of overthinking, choose action. Instead of stress, choose structure. You always have a choice. 4. Practice. Every day is training. You won't control your emotions in one day, but every day, every moment, every reaction is a chance to train yourself. And slowly, your mind becomes a fortress, unshakable, unbreakable, untouchable. Powerful, deep tone. Not everything deserves a reaction. Listen, people will test you. Life will test you. Situations will push you. Not everything deserves your anger. Not everything deserves your attention. Not everything deserves your energy. Strong people react less. Weak people react fast. Every time you choose silence over chaos, every time you choose patience over anger, every time you choose discipline over impulse, you win. Part 8. Reflective tone. Control is freedom. You want peace? Control your emotions. You want confidence? Control your emotions. You want power? Control your emotions. You want success? Control your emotions. Because emotional control is the foundation of a great life. Imagine, no more overthinking, no more panic, no more emotional breakdowns, no more saying things you regret, no more losing control. Imagine being the kind of person who stays calm even when everything collapses. That is real strength. That is real maturity. That is real freedom. Section 9. Motivational Buildup. You won't be controlled anymore. From today onwards, you are not going to be a prisoner of your anger, your fear, your stress, your anxiety. You are taking control back. You are becoming the master. You are becoming the captain of your mind. You will not let emotions ruin your day. You will not let anger ruin your relationships. You will not let fear ruin your destiny. You are stronger than your impulses, stronger than your reactions, stronger than the chaos inside you. Final section. Peak motivational tone. Become unstoppable. When you control your emotions, you become unstoppable, because nothing outside of you has the power to break you anymore. People can insult you. You stay calm. Life can throw challenges. You stay focused. Stress can rise. You breathe and handle it. Fear can whisper. You walk forward anyway. That is power. That is confidence. That is growth. That is mastery. You don't become unstoppable by controlling the world. You become unstoppable by controlling yourself. So from today, speak less, observe more, react slowly, think clearly, breathe deeply, choose wisely, control your emotions, control your life. Ending. Calm, firm. Remember, your emotions are powerful, but you are more powerful. Your emotions are loud, but you are the master. Train your mind, and your life will follow. This is your time. This is your moment. This is your transformation. Control your emotions, and you will become unstoppable.